You're going to have to learn to hear these things and start writing it on paper. The more you write it on paper, the more, just like writing a sentence. You use the alphabet, you put it together to make words. The more words you put together, and the more sentences you construct, the easier it gets. So writing these rhythms out on a piece of paper, even if you're thinking them, is a good thing because you get used to seeing the symbols. And then when we look at printed music, you'll be able to do the reverse translation. You'll be able to decode the music, which is what reading music's about. So first, Angel will just give us a pulse. Get out here in the middle so we know. And give us a pulse, and give us something slow enough that we can do alligators. Okay, first thing is drum, everybody. She's going to keep doing that. We're going to go to Tarzan. For those of you that have scratches, you'll see that when we go to alligator, it's easy to go alligator. Throw out 4 code words, and then I want you all to repeat it right after me in beat. You ready? Those last 2 were hard. What you will discover when you're making up your own rhythms is, if you end the pattern with a Tarzan or an alligator, it is darn hard to hear. And it is difficult for someone else to hear that and notate it. It also sounds like a big comma, and you'll almost expect something else to happen. So if I put a Tarzan or an alligator at the end of that, listen. When I did the alligator at the end, you expected more, so I just went into another alligator, you see? Or if I'm going to try with a Tarzan at the end and watch what happens, it'll want me to play more. See? Yeah. But if I put a drum as the 4th beat, the end, comma, goes to a period. We call that a full cadence. Now, I'm going to tap out something and I want you all just to say what it is, so I know you're hearing this. Okay, you ready?
Drum, Tarzan, Tarzan, drum. Alligator, Tarzan, alligator, drum. Alligator, 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 Tarzan.
It sounded insecure, didn't it? Yeah. So it's like, and then match. Okay?
Was it the end of Tarzan?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. And because of Tarzan at the end, it went, I must have misspoke. I'm excited. I'm not always right.
Simmer down.
Just believe me.
Keep pressing.
Okay, you ready? We're going to do this again, and then we're going to go around the circle, and each of you are going to make up one. Okay, let's see. Now you make up one. Tarzan, Tarzan, drum. So we only heard 3 beats. Give us 4. Now that was 6. 5.5. Just 1, 2. Okay, are you trying Tarzan, 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 Tarzan? Okay, he's doing Tarzan, 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 Tarzan. Let's all do it for him. You ready? Excellent. Paul, you're next.
Drum, alligator, Tarzan,
Tarzan.
Right.
Tough one. Let's all do that. You see that Tarzan on the end makes us feel like, well. Put it together. We all say it after they do it, okay? You do it. That was Morse code. He said H-E-L-P. That's Morse code.
Yeah.
Just 4 code words. Here, let me help you. Think of the 4 code words right now in your head. Okay, what are they?
Drum, Tarzan, alligator, drum.
Okay, see, you haven't made up your mind, and that's part of why you can't make up your mind on the fly. So what did you say again now? Drum.
Tarzan, Tarzan, drum.
Okay, drum, Tarzan, Tarzan, drum. Now say it in rhythm.
Drum, Tarzan, Tarzan, drum.
One more time.
Drum, Tarzan, Tarzan, drum.
Now play it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again. Let's do it for you. Ready, everybody? Try it again. You ready? Drum. Okay, next person. Ooh, I heard Tarzan. Is that it? Everybody do it. Ready? You see, the amateurs are making it hard on us. You count 4 code. Okay, that's shaving a haircut too big.
Haven't done that for a while, have you?
Yeah. And by the way, it ain't 2 bits anymore. I don't know if you know this, but it's more like shaving a haircut. $39.95. $39.95.
Except you're working.
$39.
Plus tip.
What were you trying? What were the code words you're trying?
Beats the heck out of me, Mr. Natural.
Pardon?
Beats the heck out of me, Mr. Natural.
Well, then try those 3 code words. Try putting 4 of those together. Just say it first. What do you want to play?
Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum.
Well, you said it perfectly. Now let's do it like that. You ready? One more time. You got it. See? What you do is there's 3 code words. You just choose a pattern of 4, say it in your head rhythmically, and then play it on the drum. You'll find it. Next. I think that was alligator, alligator, Tarzan, drum. Is that what you're trying?
Yes.
And there was a little bit of her shaking. She went alligator, alligator.
Oh.
Try it again.
Okay.
Now don't pause after everything. Don't go alligator. Because the heart doesn't beat like that, right? So it's alligator, alligator, Tarzan, drum. You fill out the whole thing. Try it again. Alligator, alligator, Tarzan, drum. Everybody.